Are you looking for a high-end cooler that not only keeps your system icy, but also looks insanely good doing it? Then you'll definitely want to stick around until the end. Today we're taking a close look at a true water cooling machine that combines tech, design, and customization like almost no other model. Let's dive right in. This cooler means business, literally. With a hefty 360mm, 14.2-inch radiator, it's clearly built for high-performance processors. No matter whether you're running a high-end Intel chip or the latest gen Ryzen, this cooler keeps your CPU chilled, even when things heat up. What immediately catches the eye is the LCD display. Yes, you heard that right. An actual display right on the pump head. It measures 2.1 inches, is razor sharp, super bright, and shows more than just temperatures or system info. You can upload your own images, animated GIFs, or even your logo. That means your PC ends up looking truly unique. But back to the tech. The new pump unit uses a 3-phase motor, which means less vibration, longer lifespan, and whisper-quiet operation. And you can tell, even under load, the system stays pleasantly quiet. Then there are the RX120 RGB fans. 3 of them come pre-installed, which makes setup fairly easy. The fans offer great flexibility, anything from quiet and efficient to maximum airflow when you need it. And of course, all RGB lighting is fully programmable via the iCUE software. You can set effects, monitor temperatures, and tailor everything to your setup. The iCUE Link system is another highlight. It allows you to control and synchronize all Corsair components, fans, RAM, AIO coolers, and more, through a single interface. This reduces cable clutter and gives your PC a much cleaner look. Of course, this whole package comes at a price. And while cooling performance and design are top tier, this cooler definitely isn't cheap. If you're running a mixed setup with RGB software from other brands, integration might also get a bit tricky. But if you want a clean, powerful, and visually impressive cooling system, this cooler is practically made for you. Check the links in the description to grab the latest deals. So, what are this cooler's strengths and weaknesses? Pros. Very strong cooling performance even for high-end processors. Large, customizable display for system data or personal content. Extremely quiet operation. Fully controllable via iCUE, perfect RGB synchronization. Supports all current Intel and AMD sockets. Cons. Pretty high price. Cable management with the iCUE Link system can be confusing at first. RGB integration with other brands can be challenging. If you value strong performance, smart control, and a unique design, there's almost no way around this cooler. For enthusiasts and RGB fans, it's a real highlight. Be sure to check the offers in the video description if you want to grab the cooler at the best price. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. What's most important to you in a water cooling system?